Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix unable to access Google Drive from WhatsApp backup section. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to solve this issue of Google Drive, you just simply have to go into your settings and from there select the chats option and into here go to chat backup. And now after going into chat backup option, there might be some problems with your current Google account. That's why you are unable to access the Google Drive. Now in order to solve this issue, I have a very easy and common solution for this issue. Just simply tap into this Google account option and from there select another option or add a new account to back up your chats into another Google Drive, because that older Google Drive that you are using might be full or having another issue. And after using the second account or another account, your problem will easily be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.